Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Into the Clouds Plane Spotting. So today I'll be opening my new diecast plane model. So this one is the Lufthansa Airbus A321neo, and this one is in the 600th Airbus aircraft sticker. So let's unbox this beautiful Lufthansa aircraft. This is by Gemini 200. This is what the box looks like, and this one is 1:20, 1:200 scale diecast model. And this is some information about the model. It's made out of metal, so yeah, it is a little towards the heavier side, but this is what the box looked like, and the reg of this aircraft on which the 600th Airbus aircraft sticker is D-AIEQ. And yes, I have personally seen this aircraft landing into Dublin. So if you go onto my channel, you will be able to see this particular aircraft I have spotted. So this is what the box looks like. For this, this is the stand, and this is not one of my favorite stands because they are slightly flimsy, so I am not going to open this. Yeah, they are slightly flimsy, so yeah. So now let's remove the aircraft. This looks beautiful. Look at this. So this is made out of metal. Yeah, the wheels kind of work, and very fine detailing on this model. Really love the details that are there on the model. And yes, this is my first Lufthansa in my collection. So now let's take a closer look at the details of the model. This has the Star Alliance sticker as well up front, and then you have the 600th Airbus aircraft livery. And as you move towards the right, you see the two emergency exits on the Airbus A321neo. Look at that detail, like it is so precise. And with all the I think depending upon the aircraft, you have the black color outline on the windshield of the aircraft. And then you see there is like the finer details as well on the wingtip, where you see the Lufthansa logo. Very detailed diecast model. Let me know in the comment section, do you like the new Lufthansa livery or you would prefer the old one, the yellow and the blue livery, or I would say the logo of the aircraft. One of the best pieces.